Hello and welcome all. Today we are going to see, we have know about sinusoidal waveforms. Sinusoidal waveform is very important in electronics. So we have heard the word frequency, time period and angular frequency, just like these words. What these words means? That means we have seen this type of waveforms, that is a waveform of voltage with respect to time. That means if we take the time and if we consider the voltage is changing with respect to time. As that means if this is the zero time, as the time increases, the value of the voltage is actually this is a cos wave. Thus doesn't matter in this example, this is sine or cos wave. According to as the time varying, the voltage is varying. Actually this is a two-dimensional representation of sine wave. Actually what is happening is that as time is progressing, this is the waveform. If we look at from this side, the time axis, this will look like just a circle. That means from this waveform we can see that the waveform shows how many cycles is completed in 1 second, that is giving the frequency. This is the time period, that is the time period. That means 1 by time period give the frequency. That means in 1 second how many cycles will be repeated. This is 1 cycle. Like that, how many cycles are repeated in 1 second. This is called frequency. When we see here that this is the time period, one time period. When we see here, this is the one time period. That means in order to complete one revolution, this is the time progress. As the time is progressing, the sine wave is going like that. When we look at from this side, this will look like this. If we say that the time period from here to here, the time period is t0 is half, 0.5 second. Then frequency will be 1 by 0.5. 0.5 we can also write as 1 by 2 second, half second. So 1 by t0, 1 by 1 by 2 is given by, this will go to the top, hertz. Frequency is 2 hertz. That means if in half second one cycle is completed, in 1 second double, half, this is half second, and another half, in another half second it will complete 2 cycles. That is called frequency. Now what is angular frequency? Angular frequency, that here we can say that as the frequency is half, in 1 second 2 hertz, 2 cycles are completed. Now when we convert this into angular frequency, it is given by 2 pi f0 in 1 second. That means if this is 2 pi, this period is pi, this period is pi by 2, this period is pi, and this become 2 pi. The time period is half second. Half second will be taken to complete the circle. Here also we can see that in order to complete one cycle, half second is taken. So in 1 second how many cycles will be completed? In 1 second it will complete 2 cycles. That is called angular frequency. That means in 1 second how many round it will complete. This is called angular frequency. If it is completing pi in half second, that means 2 seconds will be taken to complete the cycle. Then the omega t will be 2 pi into frequency will be 1 by 2. So time period will be half. Omega 0 will be half. That means in 1 second only pi will be completed. This pi will be completed. Another pi is taken to complete the full cycle. So 2 seconds is taken. So angular frequency is how many circles signal is completed in 1 second is called angular frequency. When we are seeing from here, we only see this circle. When we are seeing from this side, the signal will be look like this. So angular frequency is 2 pi f0. That means in a round it is completed in 1 second. So that is the angular frequency, that is called angular frequency.